Right, good morning, welcome back. Okay, finally got all the parts ready. Everything's restored and cleaned and shined and polished and painted. Now ready to reassemble. So today it will be swing arm, short link assembly, temporarily put the factory shock back in until I can get a better one, then put the wheel in, put the chain on, rivet the chain and put the chain guard on. Then I'll have a rear end I can stand the bike on so I can move on and do the front, because the next thing after this will be the headstock bearings. So I better get busy. Right. 17.3. 2.3. Boom. Six. Cool. Right, okay, very happy with that. Absolutely love the way that looks already. I haven't seen the gloss wheel in the satin black swing arm yet. The swing arm paint absolutely matches the frame paint. I'm so happy with the outcome so far. There's a lot more to do. The exhaust has got to go in, but I'm going to rip all the bodywork off and repaint it, so there's no point in doing that yet. Now, I want to answer one obvious, inevitable question. Why didn't I torque anything up today? That's because I torque everything up at the end. Some fasteners today are staying put, but others have got to come back out again. When I change that shock absorber, I've got to drop all the short link off and then put a new one in and do it all up. So the easiest way on any project to be sure that you've done every single fastener is torque them all up on the same day. So I'll go over the whole project at the end. I'm just nipping everything up tight for now. It will not be ridden until everything has been torque wrench checked, every single fastener I've touched front to back, exactly as I do on every other project. Anyway, there we are. That's it for today. See you in the next one, and we'll attack the headstock bearings, hopefully. I'll see you then.